Hey guys, it's Shaky Cubes here, back with another video. I am here at Vancouver Select 2018. I bought this game for 54M and they threw in some D&M 37 for free for me. So yeah, thanks to CanCube, and so let's get into the cube. Okay, first of all, very nice packaging. I see the GES nuts. Probably not going to be needing those for a little. The really thick pamphlet. Let's just take a look at this. That's thick. I like my things thick, if you know what I'm trying to say. Fortnite. Big pamphlet. Even bigger. Don't need that. Alright. So let's get into the cube. Right here, nice case. Okay, is it taped? No. How do I open this? Oh. Okay, that was more challenging than it should have been. There's this weird notch right here. Okay, it just fell off. Don't need that. Alright, so now let's get into the cube. I tried one of these at my friend's house. I really liked it, so hopefully you feel like his. First of all, tension's kind of loose. So let's get into first terms. And it feels really small, so. Okay, first of all, it's dry. The magnet strength is pretty nice. Doing a few outs on it, it is pretty nice. This probably will be my main. It is at a pretty nice controllable speed. And yeah, that's about it, so goodbye.